Okay, now as you can see, we need this flange turned 90 degree on this side. So in this drawing it is actually vertical. So let's select the whole thing here, and let's go to this rotation tool and click on it, and we can click on any part we want to use as the center of this one. So let's click on this part, click, and this is the move button, sorry. We need to rotate this, so let's bring it here so you can see the protector sign. So let's use the center, click, and we drag it to this side. You can see the dotted red line. We click and then we drag it to 90 degrees here. It snaps to 90 degrees, then click. So now we have the same way it is placed as the one in the 3D. Now let's click on this one, and let's put the dimensions here, because as you can see we have to put this big dimension here, the small dimension for this one, and these three. So let's go back. Let's take the dimension tool here and click on it. Let's click on this one and this one. Let's drag it up here. Also click on this one and click on this one, drag it up here, and we need to click on points which are on the ground, so we start from there, and we also need to have this one pushed a little bit to the other side and click this one. So as you can see, we have all the dimensions here, but you also see these are the lines, but we are not going to draw these lines here. So for the time being, we are done with the top view. So let's save this file, export, not the file, it's the view that we are saving. So it's 2D graphic, so we click on 2D graphic, and let's call this as the top PDF. So let's click on export, so the file would be saved as top PDF. Now let's take select button and select these and hit delete on the keyboard. We get rid of the dimensions. Now we need to have this front view here. So let's go back again to camera here, standard view, and let's click on front. So now we have the front view, and we need to put in the two dimensions here, and we also need to put in the radius and this radius and the diameter. So let's go back. Let's take the dimension tool here, click, and click. Let's see if this is the dimension that we need. Let's press escape, come here. No, it's from the middle of this circle to this one, so we have to draw it from the middle. So here, this is the dimension we need, and also to the handle, end of the handle. So let's click here and here and there, and click on this radius here and bring it down, and on this circle here and right here. So we have almost all the labels, dimensions that we also have these section lines, but we are not going to put them in SketchUp, though we can put it, but not now, to make things easier for us. So let's export this view. So let's go to file, export, and 2D graphic. So let's call it the front, and let's hit export. So this has been saved. Let's take the select button here, get rid of these dimension lines. Now the final drawing we need is the right view. So let's go back and let's go to camera, standard view, and hit on right. So this is the right, and we need, in the right view, we need this dimension, and the diameter of the circle. So let's take the dimension button here, and let's click here and here, put it up. Let's click here, put it to the right. Let's click here and put it there. So again, we export the graphic as right, R-I-G-H-T. So let's hit on export. So we have this one, we have this one, we have this one, and we also